everyone, my name is VikkiToria. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this rose gold smoky eye makeup look for Valentine's Day. So if you would like to see how I did create this look, then please keep watching. So as always, I'm priming my eyelid with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05, and I'm blending that out with my finger. Next, I'm setting that with my Yardley translucent powder, and this is going to give us a good base to start with. So for today's video, I'm using the Huda Beauty new Nude palette. And the first shade I'm going to be dipping in is called Tickled. And we're just going to be using that as our transition shade. So I'm going to blend this all the way from my inner corner to the outer corner, making sure that the shade is everywhere, and we're going to just use small circular motions to blend that all in. And I'm just going to slowly build up this color. So the next shade I'm going in with is the color Spanked, and we're going to be doing exactly the same thing, placing that in our crease and just blending that out in small circular motions. But this is obviously a little bit darker color, so this is just going to deepen up that crease line for us. So again, I'm first placing down the color and then I'm blending it out with round circular motions, keeping this one slightly lower in the crease. So the next color I'm going in with is even darker than the previous shade, and this is a more purpley toned color. It's called Love Bite, and we're just going to be placing that on the outer V part of the eye, and again blending that out in circular motions. I think the key to this whole look is just blending, blending, and more blending. So the next shade I'm going in with is Fantasy, and because this is a shimmer shade, remember, as I've said in my previous videos, it's best to use your finger to apply these glitter shades, as the color payoff is a lot greater. So this color I'm just going to place in the center part of the eye. Next shade I'm going in with is called Crave, and this has got a more of a golden tone to it, and again it is a shimmer shade, so we need to use our finger. And this I'm just placing on the inner corner part of the eye, blending that into that Fantasy shade. And now we've got that pretty transition from gold to rose gold, going into the darker matte shades. So next I'm using my Palladio gel liner just to create a simple line on the lash line. Don't worry too much about the tail of the liner that you've created. We're going to take a small blending brush with a little bit of black eyeshadow and just to blend that out, just to soften it a little bit. So for the black eyeshadow, I'm using my Morphe 35S palette with a small blending brush. Just going to dip a little bit into that and smudge out that line on the outer part of the eye. And I'm doing this by creating small circular motions. Next I'm going in with the color Bear, and I'm just going to be adding that to my brow bone. Now I'm just quickly going to finish off the rest of my face, as well as place some false lashes on my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. So now we have to finish off the bottom part of the eyes. I'm dipping back into that black shade, and I'm just placing that on the bottom part of the eye as close to the lash line as possible, just on the outside part of the eye. Next I'm dipping back into that shade called Love Bites, and I'm going to be blending that in the center part of the eye of the lower lash line. Now I'm dipping back into the very first shade we used as our transition color called Tickle, and I'm just going to blend out the lash line at the bottom. So all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Using the color Crave, I'm just going to use my finger and dab a little bit of that on the bottom lash line. Next I'm going to go in with some Kajal eyeliner, and I'm just going to place that in the waterline. Last step, and we just need to coat our bottom lashes. So this is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or what other videos you guys would like to see. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.